all these salary account people can be contacted for their family members account. From that, you can again start generating leads. So this is why salary account is also equally important for a bank, though it is a zero balance account. Salary account. So can anyone tell me what a salary account is open for, or who are opening the salary account? So basically it will be a company which has a tie-up with the bank. What is the tie-up that they have? They will agree that all the employees will open a salary account with us and their salary will come. Now they have some good number of employees there. Now you are telling the company that if all these people open account with us, they will get a zero balance facility. The only condition that we will want is their salary should come into the account. Every month, salary credit should happen. That is why this account is having the zero balance facility. Suppose their salary doesn't come for, say, together in 3 months, the salary is not being credited into this account. This account will get converted into a normal account where they'll have to maintain the balance. So it is a zero balance account facility given based on tie-up with corporates. They have additional benefits also. So what is the benefit for the bank if they are opening salary account? We said it is zero balance. Though they are opening it in zero balance, they have additional benefits like they are given credit card facility. Premium debit cards will be given. They will have an offer for locker discount. They will have preferential loan rates. They might have certain features like even processing fee waiver for loans like personal loan, auto loan, based upon the tie-up with the company. So the bank will agree with the company saying that if all these people open account with us, we will give you lifetime free credit card for the employees, or we will give you a premium debit card with better features. So this will actually motivate them to start using our account more. Being a zero balance account, people will be motivated to use this account also because their salary is lying there. Though the salary will go in over a period of time, initially say for 10-15 days, this amount will be there. It will go down gradually only. The entire amount will not go immediately. They will slowly only use it, depending upon their expense pattern. So that is one benefit of having a salary account. The value part is also being taken care of, and you get a large number of people to open account with us. Now you are getting a large number of contacts. The contact base is also getting improved. You have more people to get in touch with. So all these salary account people can be contacted for their family members account. From that, you can again start generating leads. So this is why salary account is also equally important for a bank, though it is a zero balance account. These are some of the ways by which you can start sourcing salary accounts. So there will be business entities, corporates who already have existing current account with us. So they will have, say, anyways, employees, at least 10 to 15 employees will be there. Business will be growing. They will have more employees joining them. And then there will be businesses within the catchment area who have good number of employees. All of them can be contacted and we can tell them about the features of salary account or a corporate relationship. Okay, so by that way, this current account can also be opened of the entity and the employees can also be given the salary account. Okay, then you have the government entities, government offices. Okay, then you have many other institutions like hospitals. There will be large number of people working in a hospital, right from the doctors to the attenders, pharmacists, everyone. All of them can be made to open a salary account. And when you see the hospitals, they will have large amount to be kept in the current account also, because it will be a large transacting kind of a thing. Then you have schools. Schools can also be contacted. They can also open account. The teacher salary account can be opened. Okay, so these are the ways by which you can actually think of starting new salary relationship.